Hi guys! Welcome sa Zip9. In this video ay tutuloy natin yung series natin ng geometry. Sa previous video, napag-aralan natin yung angle addition postulate, no? And just a very brief review. Sabi ng angle postulate, if D lies in the interior of an angle ABC, then the measure of angle ABC is equal to the measure of angle ABD plus the measure of angle DBC. So in this example, yung D ay nasa loob siya ng ABC. Therefore, the measure of this angle plus the measure of this angle is equal to the measure of this angle. Gagamitin natin yung postulate na yan dito sa lesson natin. Okay, so let's proceed. So find the measure of angle PQR if the measure of angle PQS is equal to 64 degrees and the measure of angle SQR is equal to 26 degrees. So yung angle PQR ito, yung part na to, no? And yung angle PQS is this part. So ang PQS ay 64 degrees. At ang SQR, yung angle na yan, is equal to 26 degrees. So by the angle addition postulate, measure of angle PQR is equal to measure of angle PQS plus measure of angle SQR. Okay, which means that this is equal to 64 degrees. And yung measure ng angle PQS, and this is equal to 26 degrees. Now the measure of angle PQR is equal to 90 degrees. May special name tayo para sa mga angles na ang sum ay 90 degrees. Ang tawag natin sa kanila ay complementary angles. So yung angle PQS tsaka angle SQR are complementary angles. So two angles are complementary if the sum of their measures is 90 degrees. Each angle in the pair is known as the complement of the other. Nabanggit ko kanina yung angle PQS at saka SQR are complementary angles, no? So PQS and SQR are complementary angles. Now angle PQS is the complement of angle SQR, and vice versa, no? Angle SQR is the complement of angle PQS. Okay, so tignan naman natin to. Find the sum of the measure of angle ABC and the measure of angle SQR. Ano ba yung measure ng angle ABC? That's 130 degrees. At yung measure of angle SQR is 50 degrees. So the sum is 180 degrees. Sa previous slide, napag-aralan natin yung complementary angles or angles whose sum is 90 degrees. Dito naman ay may tawag din tayo dun sa angles whose sum is 180 degrees. Yun naman yung supplementary angles. So two angles are supplementary if the sum of their measures is 180 degrees. Each angle in the pair is known as the supplement of the other. So yung question natin kanina, angle ABC and angle SQR are supplementary angles. No? Kasi 130 degrees plus 50 degrees is equal to 180 degrees. So pag pair of angles sila at yung sum nila ay 180 degrees, one angle is a supplement of the other. So ABC is a supplement of angle SQR, and angle SQR is also the supplement of angle ABC. Okay, so let's answer this practice exercise. Find x if the measure of angle PQS is equal to 4x plus 1 degrees and the measure of angle SQR is x minus 1 degrees. So yung angle PQS, ito yon. Ito yung sinasabi niya na 4x plus 1 degrees. At ito yung angle SQR, which is x minus 1 degrees. Ano pa yung isang information na alam natin? dahil meron tayong ganitong symbol, no? Nakikita niyo ba to? Yung square. Ano ibig sabihin nun? That the measure of angle PQR is equal to 90 degrees. Now, by the angle addition postulate, the measure of angle PQR is equal to measure of angle PQS plus the measure of angle SQR. Now, sinasabi sa angle addition postulate that this angle plus this angle is equal to this angle, and that angle is PQR. No? And anong alam natin sa measure of angle PQR? 90 degrees siya, di ba? Kasi meron siyang square. Kita niyo yung square kanina na yellow, di ba? So this is equal to measure of angle PQS, which is 4x plus 1 degrees plus x minus 1 degrees. So 90 is equal to 4x plus x is 5x, and then plus 1 minus 1 is 0, which means that we divide both sides by 5, which means that x is equal to 18. Anong hinahanap? Yung x. So ito na yung sagot natin. X is equal to 18. Okay, so let's answer this question. Line MN and line PR intersect at point O. Find the measure of angle POM and the measure of angle QON. Okay, so tignan natin kung anong alam natin. Alam natin na PR is a line. Now, if we think of a line as two rays, no? And point O, no? Yung point O dito ay a point on the line. So pag inikot ko tong ray na to, yung nasa taas, inikot ko siya pababa. At pag nag-form siya ng line, ibig sabihin 180 degrees to. No? Alam natin yan, no? And naaral natin yan sa angles. Now, alam din natin na ang ibig sabihin ng square na ito ay 90 degrees ito. Now, if angle POR, no, yung buong ikot ng ganito ay 180 degrees, ibig sabihin yung natira dito ay 90 na lang kasi 90 degrees na to, di ba? Which means na yung angle QON is 90 minus 58 degrees. So 90 minus 58, that's 32. Ibig sabihin 32 degrees. Ito. No? So nasagot na natin itong measure of angle QON at 32 degrees. What about the measure ng angle POM? Now, alam din natin na yung MN is also a line. No? Straight line siya. No? And again, if we think of MN as two rays meeting at O, pag inikot ko yung N papunta dun sa M, again, that's 180 degrees. No? Which means na from here to here ay 180 degrees. And alam natin na yung 58 plus 32, alam natin that this angle is 90 degrees. Ibig sabihin, ang natira dito ay also 90 degrees. Kasi 90 plus 90 is 180. Therefore, the measure of angle POM, purahin natin para kita. The measure of angle POM is equal to 90 degrees. Alright, so maraming salamat. Sana nag-enjoy kayo dito sa ating video. Huwag niyo kalimutan mag-subscribe. Sa susunod na video, pag-aaral naman natin yung vertical angles.